motherfucking back. God damn.
Hey, calm down with all that tough talking, family. You ain't about none, huh? 4 deep, hey, yeah, hey, he.
What's good, guys? We back with another video, and today I'm doing a little reaction video. So we're gonna do it a little bit different. Basketball season coming up, and so I know y'all prepared. So we about to get right in tune. You did. LaFleur gang, stand up. If you just now here, welcome. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, and we about to see what we got today. So we got the Brooklyn Nets versus the Sesi Franca, something like that. What's up? Something in French. Y'all get the picture, but make sure y'all hit that like button. We about to see what Kyrie talking about. You dig? Hey. I don't think they gonna hold up with the Lakers though. KD ain't here. I don't know. We finna see though. We finna see.
Check out the starting lineups. First for Sesi Franca.
Sesi
It is
Franca.
Jimmy Oliveira and Hetzheimer to jump it up. The Nets control the tip and the 2000.
I'm excited, Bird.
It is exciting. The lob.
Come on, man. You
Allen
gotta
had
dunk
to
that.
redirect. Finds Laverne underneath for the
Oh, fine.
uncontested flush. Dinwiddie there defensively on Peroji. Dave Jackson, who played his collegiate ball at Penn State, swings it. Hetzheimer up three.
Okay.
Comes out with a lot of motivation, and this is a great challenge, a great test for them.
What the
Lob
fuck
upstairs.
are you
Allen
doing?
spins,
Jump.
slams.
Jump.
Spread the floor with Oliveira, who just made the bucket.
Cat.
Peroji, the jumper goes, so they haven't missed.
Who is this man? Somebody find out who the center is. Somebody drop a comment.
Dinwiddie the acceleration. Prince lines it up.
Fuck.
Look, it's a three.
Bird, you're next level on all of your
Ooh,
research.
good
Lob
luck,
it up.
good luck.
The jam for the fro.
And I'm not talking about the
Where
Brooklyn
Kyrie
Nets.
at?
I believe the fro works in any language. I believe that's universal.
I
Outside.
think that's what we're seeing, just the versatility that Torian Prince can bring to the table.
Cash.
Shot for Hetzheimer. Gonna learn some tricks from DeAndre Jordan, who's 31 years old. Dinwiddie gives it up from the corner. It's Torian Prince, guard, the opponent's best player.
Yep,
That's his mentality.
doesn't care who it is.
Hetzheimer can
They
shoot it.
hanging in there, y'all.
Off the back of the iron, rebounded by Peroji.
Ooh.
Early. Acrobatic play, Oliveira. Good
Yes.
setup by Peroji.
That was nice.
Career averages just under 11 boards per game. Nwaba lobs it up. Oh, Jordan gets it to go. Nwaba the blind pass, and 26-year-old native of Los Angeles. Diaz saves it. Hetzheimer has not missed. It's crazy.
I'm going to need to talk to some people about that.
Talk to Vegas.
We'll make him go lefty.
Yeah, exactly.
Good bucket.
John
Good
and Musa. Kick out. Musa takes the baseline. Extra.
That's all day. You gonna
Read
leave him
all
open
about
in the
it.
corner. That's all day.
29-27. Brooklyn, 40 seconds to go. Opening quarter.
Good pass. Good
Catching
pass.
fire. Garrett Temple and Rim in the right spot. And the Nets lead is down to 3. Kurucs drains it from downtown.
Now, y'all better
Rebounded by
beat this
Jordan.
Jordan
YMCA
just
team,
swallows
boy.
up everything.
Ooh, good
Down
body.
the floor. Temple gets to the
Brutal.
41-29 Brooklyn. Jump shot for
Can't
Shatman
beat that.
goes down.
He's
Free throw
too
Nets
lengthy.
did not convert on their extra opportunity, and they have an 11-point lead.
Ooh, shit.
Hetzheimer had the
Y'all
hot
see that
hand.
pass?
Continues.
How important that is to a locker room. He brings all of that, his vocal nature, being an extrovert, getting guys going.
The jumper goes Peroji, but also he keeps it light.
Yeah.
Keeps it
Jordan
light.
down the floor for the flush.
Keep it light.
Let's not forget.
From the outside. Lavert back in. Shake and bake on a kick. Find the open man, it's Prince. Count it for 3.
Okay, now they creating some separation. Okay.
Hetzheimer sits
Good
with
flow.
4 fouls.
Good flow.
Flip shot goes for Jimmy Oliveira for Dave Jackson.
That's one thing I will say about overseas.
Lovert
You gotta give me
glides
a
to
better
the
dunk than that, man.
hole
Come on.
for the slammer last
Come
year.
on, bro.
There's a possibility that he didn't make it to the new school year. Upstairs,
That's the
Allen goes
third
up.
fucking time.
Just
Dunk the ball.
post-up opportunity. Diaz to the rim. Count it, and a foul.
Get a mismatch with their height.
The
Big
6-0
for no
run here
reason.
for Franca basketball. Lavert
Nigga still got
drains the
2K
triple.
shoes on.
Karis Lavert, beautiful form, and so effortless in that release. He's got 11 points.
Ooh, good move.
Dave Jackson, the jumper
Where did he
goes.
use that? When he heavy. Okay. Okay.
He's had a
Ooh.
very successful
Okay.
international career going back to 2007. Waba off the backdoor feed.
Cooking.
Torian Prince, career
Cooking.
38% three-point shooter. Cipollini. Jump shot doesn't go for Carazza Neto. Dinwiddie lobs. Jared Allen. But it's controlled
long
by
did it take,
Cipollini. Allen scrapes it away. Cipollini lands on him.
Okay. Okay.
Levert digs at it.
Good hustle.
Nawaba comes up with a loose
Good
ball.
hustle.
About, of course, the job Kenny Atkinson does, but so much of that stems from his
Oh.
coaching staff.
Oh.
Nice save.
Good job.
Courage to Allen. You're going to be attractive to other teams, and the Nets were happy for the success. As Spencer Dinwiddie.
Pelicans, and we got a few new people here
Yep.
around the Brooklyn Nets organization. That's just how you grow. And
Matt
evolve.
Riccardi moves up into the
bucket.
GM role
Good
in Long
bucket.
Island.
It was
Torian.
about
All
time
the
you
tools out of
started.
the toolbox, but it goes back to what we heard Torian talking about, the versatility.
Give me something.
Dinwiddie the steal, and a two-handed slam open against Franca basketball. Trying to feed the post.
That shit out of here.
Denied the throw. And trying to make the connection to Jaron
Ooh,
Allen.
good board.
Jump shot does not go.
You ain't gonna do nothing.
Chapman. All the way, Karis Levert. No.
Can y'all give me some dunks,
Nets
man?
have
Basketball
shut out
season is
Franca.
back in session.
Here in the third.
What are y'all doing?
Diaz finally ends it. Backs it out. Temple picks him up. Hetzheimer gives it up, and Jackson
He can
nails
shoot.
it. Antonio
He's good.
Spurs. Ed Davis, the Utah Jazz. Jared Dudley, the Los Angeles Lakers.
It's a good move.
Prince lobs it up. Jordan skies for the big finish.
God. Oh my God.
Sunday for China, and once they get out to China, it's not going to be the same routine of a training camp that you would have here.
Hetzheimer.
Player was, because
He's still getting texts from celebrities.
David stole the shine.
Inside for Oliveira.
But you know what? Kenny talked about this. Garrett
Good
Temple
D.
also.
Good D.
Pins in the steal. He's got Musa. Couldn't finish. The
Thank
follow
you.
jam.
Y'all let
Nawaba.
little man do it.
It meant some international
How
experience.
can
for
little
Joe.
man do it
And exposure to other players.
pass?
Inside for
Pass.
Cipollini. It's actually
Y'all
important.
getting your ass
You only get
whooped,
4
but
of
good
these games.
pass.
You're trying to build on the foundation and the principles that we're developing. It was a good thing for the players. Said it does put
Bucket.
more pressure on the coaches. Oliveira, that's a long 2-point without as many reps, game reps, to figure out where all the
Ooh, good
pieces
pass.
fit in.
Move.
And that's across the league. Jordan gets
I
to the
like
rim.
that.
He's played point guard in this league. He's tall enough to shift him over
Good
to
flow.
the 3 on certain matchups. Push shot goes
Jesus
down
was
for Dave
with him
Jackson.
on that
Jackson
one.
has brought up the size of Musa. He said he's a slender guy. You don't
Block.
know about it.
Claxton extends out and blocks Jackson on the perimeter. Musa
Okay.
goes behind the back. Nice
Okay.
shovel behind the back. Inside for Claxton. Penko. I preferred Potapenko.
Sounds like
Just thought it-
potato.
Yeah,
potato.
this had more flair. Nice look inside. Jackson with a finish.
That,
That pass had a little
God.
flair.
Yeah. Hot pearl.
That boy trying to go league.
Potato, plum. You have a favorite?
It wouldn't be plum. I tally the height and weight of each player to keep
Good
it
pass.
fresh.
Good pass. Good pass.
Wow. He did.
Boston had Papa
Yep.
Allen do a little trim before the start of the season.
His father, Leonard. Jump shot back old
Hey, they
school.
can shoot though.
4:40 to
definitely can
play in this
shoot.
fourth quarter. Claxton sets up. And
He gonna be a problem this year.
Hiroji. Mismatch. Deflected.
Bucket.
Jackson forced
That
into a
boy
fade.
can
Tough
hoop.
shot.
That boy can hoop.
Marginal possibilities with the Nets turn into difference makers, and there's Claxton again. So to come out and make a statement that, well, no, he's just going to be in the G League. No, they're going to see the process through and see
Good
what the
move.
circumstances
Good
are.
move.
The flip goes in for
He
Oliver.
definitely took advantage
Both
of that
players
space.
ended up having major impacts. Claxton on the roll to the rim. He's got 10
Yeah, he out there
points
cooking
in
up.
7 minutes. Final minute 35 here in
He
Brooklyn.
out there looking like a baby DeAndre. No
Push
rap
shot
out.
goes down for
Already a great bunch of individuals, not just on the court, but off the court.
Claxton. Steps in, look out! Claxton running the floor! And as you mentioned, culture from a year ago, the carryover, even with new faces. The Nets.
That's crazy, dog. Like, what the? Yo, look at this. God dang it. Look at. Oh, shit. Guys, I got. Okay. Guys, we got a huge okay, we're good. I have my damn earring caught in the motherfucking. Anyways, man, that was a good video. I think Brooklyn gonna have a little bit of potential. I didn't see Kyrie out there. Did y'all? I didn't see him. I didn't see him out there, but they gonna be nice though, for sure, for sure. I think they gonna have some potential. They got some good young stars out there. That other team though, they footwork crazy. I'm telling you that now. I was seeing how they were taking it to the hole, all that, but. I think Brooklyn's gonna actually do something this year. No rap cap. Just, I don't know. It's gonna be a little different, like just a tad bit different. I don't know. The league has a fair game. I just know one of Brooklyn's stars is gonna have to definitely step up for sure though. Kyrie and DeAndre can't do it by themselves, so somebody else gonna have to step up and play a role. But yeah, y'all know my team is the Lakers though, so I'm gonna give me a thumbs up if y'all want more videos like this. Give me a thumbs down, and then do your own thing. But my team is the Lakers. I'm bringing more reaction channels for y'all. We going over Lakers. We going over New Orleans, and I want y'all to pick the third team. Okay. I want you guys to pick the third team. Y'all let me know. Drop a comment down below. But hey, if y'all like this, hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel. My name's Scotty LaFleur. I love y'all. We bringing more bangers. I'm saying, man. LeBron said he coming all the way. I just text fool. He got you on. Hey, he ain't got no choice. You dig? LaFleur gang stand up. Hey. Y'all know what it is. Don't break your neck if you ain't bout no check. You dig? Hey.
Hey, calm down with all that tough talking, family. You ain't about none, huh?